So in today's session, I'll be explaining about the organic chemistry, IUPAC Nomenclature. First of all, you should be aware of the different types of organic compounds. Let me familiarize these important compounds and groups. Alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. So these alkanes are called saturated hydrocarbon. Write down. Saturated hydrocarbon. And alkenes and alkynes are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay? So one of you can come forward as a volunteer to write on the board. They have the general formula CnH2n plus 2. That is alkanes general formula. You can have the example methane as a first member. So methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane. At least you should know up to 6. Meth means 1 carbon. Eth means 2 carbons. Prop means 3 carbon. Buta means 4 carbon. Pent means 5 carbon. Hex means 6 carbon. So we can apply this formula CnH2n plus 2. So CnH2n plus 2. Let us apply C1, C2 into 1, 2 plus 2. So that gives CH4. So this is methane. What is the general formula for alkane? CnH2n plus 1. So you have got meth means H2n plus 2. Meth means 1 carbon. Eth 2 carbon. Prop 3 carbon. Buta means 4 carbon. Pent, P-E-N-T, pent, P-E-N-T-A. Penta means 5 carbon. Hexa 6. Okay. So what is the formula? CH4. What about the ethane? Eth plus ane. You can apply that formula. Ane. So eth plus ane means C2H2 into 2 plus 2, C2H6. So ethane is C2H6. Propane, what is the formula? That is prop plus ane. So you have C3H2 into 3 plus 2, that is C3H8. So C3H8 is the propane formula. Similarly, C4H10, C5H12, C6H14. All of them have the general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2, and they have the suffix A and E. As I already mentioned, meth means 1 carbon, eth means 2 carbon. Likewise, you should know up to hex. Do you understand? Write down. And let us consider the formula, structural formula of methane. It has a structure tetrahedral like this, and the angle between the CH bond is 109 degree 28 minutes. So they have 4 CH bonds. A bond is actually it represents a pair of electrons, that is 2 electrons. You understand? So all of them are called alkanes. Alkanes have only saturated hydrocarbons, so they are also called saturated hydrocarbon. It means they are satisfied with only single bond. Now let us try to draw the structure simply. The CH4 can be simply represented like this, CHHH. That's all. Okay. Now let us try to draw the structure of ethane. Proceeding with that, I will show you the actual type of molecule as a model. Can you get me that model? What is the formula of butane? Anyone? C4H10. Okay. Now can you develop a methane molecule based on this? Right. This is the carbon. You can show here. So that is carbon, and take this bonds. CH4. Attach hydrogen. Okay. Another hydrogen. You can show here. Another hydrogen. Another hydrogen. Right? So you need one more, is it not? CH4. Okay. Now this is the tetrahedral methane. Are you able to follow? See that? Okay. Now when you look at like this, as though it is something like a camera tripod, no? So at the center you have got the carbon, and here hydrogen, another hydrogen. These are the three stands, tripod, and above that you have got one more hydrogen. So can you fix on the board, and you have to write down CH at the top. Top. H only. Now you have drawn that structure. Okay, so this is a 3D model. Okay, can you bring it closer? So this is the 3D model of methane molecule. Got it? Okay. Now let me remove one hydrogen from this. Only the white ball. Now this is CH3. Is it not? CH3. So one hydrogen is missing. How many hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogen atoms. So this is called methyl group, alkyl group. Got it? Alkyl group. Now if you take a similar CH3 group and attach here, what will you get? C2H6. That is ethane. Are you able to follow? That is the next one. Can you do that? Take one more hydrogen, one more CH3. So now you have got CH3, is it not? So take, you can keep it here. I'll take this. This is hydrogen, not hydrogen, carbon. Show that. You have to show. Keep this. So this is carbon. Okay. Now let us attach one hydrogen. So this is CH, right? CH. Then attach another. So this is CH2. Okay, so you can build up the structure like this, and you need one more CH, no, one more H. Right? Okay. Now this is CH3. Can you show CH3? Yes. Now let us attach this. Right? Now this is what? Ethane. That's all. Are you able to follow? And in fact, there is a free rotation between these two C. It can rotate like this, and that will develop different types of what? Isomers also. We will be studying about that. We will study this as a conformations later. But let us try to understand that this is CH3 and another CH3. Are you able to follow? Right. So this is C2H6. Now what about the valency of each carbon? Each has 4 valency. Is it not? This carbon has 1 bond, 2nd bond, 3rd bond. So this is CH, 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 and another is CC. So it has got tetravalency. Similarly, the other carbon. Are you able to understand this? Right. Now let us proceed. C2H6 1 2. First you have to draw the carbon with single bond, and the carbon has the valency 4. Is 4. So ensure 4 valency 1 2 3, and you have got the central one 4. 1 2 3 4. So fill up with hydrogen. Then when you count the number of carbon atoms and hydrogen atom, definitely it will give this formula. So how many hydrogen atoms are there? 3, 3, 6. So H6. There are 2 carbon. Are you able to follow? And how many CH bonds are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 CH bonds and 1 CC bond. So you should be able to count the bonds also. Now let us draw the structure of propane. What is the general formula? CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. So we can work out 3. Prop means 3. H6. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. So C3H8. So the formula is C3H8. Now draw the carbon atoms C3 and put the bonds like this. Okay, and fill up with the hydrogen. H, 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 and H, then H, H. So you have CH3, CH2, CH3. So this can also be represented as CH3, CH2, CH3.
There's green.
So that is CH3, CH2, CH3, which is nothing but C3H8. Okay. Let us discuss about the next group, that is alkene. Alkene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. UNSATU or ATAD, unsaturated hydrocarbon. It has CC double bond. They are also called olefins. They are also called olefins. They have the general formula CnH2n. It is the general formula. GF means general formula. The first member is ethene. First member of this group is ethene. Eth means we already know 2 carbon atom. Ene means double bond. So ethene, eth plus ene, ethene means what is the general formula? CnH2n. So C2H4. Okay. So C2H4, that is ethene. This is the molecular formula. You can write down 1, 2, C2 and put double bond. So the remaining each should have 4 valencies, 4 bonds. Each carbon atom should have 4 bonds. So it has got already 2 bonds, so you can put like this. So hydrogen, hydrogen. So fill up with the hydrogen, so that you are able to get CH2 double bond CH2. So this is called ethene. Are you able to follow? Similarly, you can have propene. Prop means 3 carbon atom, ene means double bond. So you have to develop propene structure. that is C3H6. So we can write down 1, 2, 3. For one carbon you can put double bond, one double bond. So fill up with hydrogen. So here you have one bond and you have to put 3 bonds. Here you have one carbon, so one bond, 3 bond, so put one bond. Here you have double bond, so you can put 2 bonds. So fill up with hydrogen, H, 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 H. Okay. So that is CH3, CH double bond, CH2. So this is called propene. Okay. So how many bonds are there? CH bonds. You can start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 CH bonds. How many CC bond? 1 CC bond. And 1 C double bond C. Got it? You can draw the electron dot formula for this. Put C, C. A double bond represents 2 pairs of electron. Let us represent the electrons of carbon as dot, hydrogen as X. So you have one more like this. And then hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So this is the electron dot formula or the Lewis structure. Electron dot structure of ethene. So you can connect like this. This is a bond, another bond, and 2 pairs of bond, double bond and single bond like this. So we have simply represented ethane. Okay. What is the formula of ethene? C2H4. And how many double bonds are there? Huh? Only one double bond. So can you write down similarly propene? Propene we have already written. Can you write down butene? 1 butene. Try. 1 butene. Try. But means what? 4 carbon atoms. So write down 4 carbon atoms. Draw 4 carbon atoms. Write down 4 carbon atoms. C, 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 C. Then put double bond. C, double bond, C. Now only one double bond. Remaining will be single bond. And put 4 valencies around each carbon atom. You have got already double bond. So you can put 2 bonds. Yes. And here already 3 bonds are there. You can put only 1 bond. Then the next carbon atom, you have got already 2 bonds. So you can put 2 single bonds, top and bottom. And similarly here, you have got already 1 bond. You can put 3. Okay. Now fill up with the hydrogen. That's all. You understand? How can you write this simply? CH2 put bond, double CH2 double bond, then single bond, that's all. So what do you call this? Butane. Since it is having only one double bond at first position, you can call it 1-butane. Are you able to follow? Right. Now let us proceed with the next type. Okay. Butane, pentane, hexane. At least you should know up to 6. Meth means 1 carbon. Try pentane. Can you try pentane? Pentane. Very good. Okay, so you can you write down the molecular formula? Try molecular formula.
Type.
Ah.
It is 12. 10.
C5H10 because pentene. For alkene, what is the general formula? CnH2n. Good. Okay. So this is alkene. What about this one? This is C5. Can you go ahead with hexene? 6 carbon atom. Good. C6H12. Okay. So can you write down the first 4 members of alkane using the formula CnH2n? CnH2n. Ethene propene. Just to double it, write down the general formula CnH2n. N is equal to what? Number of carbon atoms. So you have to double it, that's all. So if you put 2 means 4, is it not? C2H4. C3 means?
H6.
That's all, finish. Okay? Right. C5H10. And you will not get methane. Why? Because it's a single carbon atom, it's not stable. You cannot have CH2 because we should have 4 valency for carbon. Do you understand? Right. Okay. Now let us proceed with the alkynes. Right? Take down alkynes. They can be represented as triple bond. They are represented by triple bond. The first member is ethyne. and the general formula is CnH2n minus 2. For example, when we draw the H2n minus 2 means C2H2 of 2 minus 2. So C2H2. It said the structure will be C triple bond C, and you have to introduce only one hydrogen because C2H2, that is triple bond. So if it is a triple bond, it contains one single bond and a double bond, so triple bond. Okay, C2H2, that's all. C2H2. So this is the first member. This is the first member of what? The alkyne. Do you understand? This is the first member of alkyne. Now let us proceed with the next one. That is, can you write down propyne similar to this? And you should know the general formula for this. What is the general formula? CnH2n minus 2. That's good. So have you noted down? CnH2n minus 2. So based on that you have to proceed. Okay. ஐசோமர்லாம் அப்புறம் பார்க்கலாம். Alkynes, butane. Don't write 3-butane, simply write butane. Buta means 4. So C4H6. Why? Write down the molecular general formula. CnH2n minus 2. So 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 2, 6. Okay. Now can you draw the structure? There are 4. You can put one triple bond. No, you can put it in the first carbon atom. No, the triple bond should be at the center. That is, put it properly. C triple bond. You can erase that one, propine, erase it. Very good. So you can check, you can write the simple formula CH triple bond C. Okay. So can you add all these things? How many carbon atoms are there? 4. Write down 4, C4. No, don't put equal to, because you will mistake as double bond. You write separately C4. And then how many hydrogen atoms are there? 6 hydrogen atoms. So 6 hydrogen atoms. So structurally it is established. Is it clear? So I hope now you have learned how to arrive at the molecular formula as well as the structural formula. Okay. So let me summarize.